if you eat onions. Every day, this is what happens to your body. First off, onions are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that boost your immune system, along with quercetin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Eating onions daily can help reduce high blood pressure and protect against heart disease by improving cholesterol levels, fight inflammation, decrease triglycerides, and reduce cholesterol levels, contributing to heart health, support healthy digestion, and prevent constipation due to their fiber content, enhance bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis as you age, lower blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for those managing diabetes. On the cancer prevention front, onions contain several compounds linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers, including stomach and colorectal cancers. Regular consumption of onions can also boost your mood and help prevent mood disorders thanks to their richness in folate. Folate prevents an excess of homocysteine from forming in the body, a substance that can inhibit the production of happy hormones like serotonin and dopamine. Follow for more.